Okay, this question. The cubic equation 4x cubed plus 10x squared minus 7x minus 3x0 has one integer root that indicates that it's a positive or negative whole number, and two irrational roots that indicates that it's a number, for example, a square root number or surd number or pi or something like that. So chances are it'll be a surd number in this. So the way we do this question is this. We write out the cubic, and because we're given very little information, we have to guess the first root. Now the first root we're going to guess is the integer root. So here's the clue. It's going to be a factor of minus 3. It's going to be a factor of always the last digit. Okay? So the factors of minus 3 are minus 1 and 1 and minus 3 and 3. Okay. Now I did a bit of work earlier and I know that minus 3 is the root, because if I sub it in, minus 7 times minus 3, this works out to be minus 108 plus 90 plus 21 minus 3. That works out to be 0. So we know that x is equal to minus 3. That's the root. Okay, so I'm going to highlight that. So that's one of the roots. In order to find the other roots then, what we do is we change this root to a factor. So this is going to be changed to x plus 3. And I'm going to long divide this into the cubic equation. Okay, so x into 4x cubed goes 4x squared times. You multiply 4x squared by x plus 3, 4x cubed plus 12x squared. You then change the sign, so this becomes a minus and this becomes a minus. Okay, so these cancel out. So 10x squared minus 12x squared is minus 2x squared. And you bring down the other bits. Minus 7x minus 3. You do the same process again. X into minus 2x squared goes minus 2x times. So minus 2 by x and minus 2x squared, and minus 2x by 3 is minus 6x. Draw a line. We now change the signs. This becomes a plus this time, and this becomes a plus. Okay. These will cancel. Minus 7x plus 6x is minus 1x minus 3. And we do the process again. So x into minus 1x is minus 1 times. Minus 1 by x is minus 1x. Minus 1 by 3 is minus 3. And we change the signs for the last time. And these will cancel out, equal to 0. So now, to find the other two roots, I solve this equation. So this, because it's going to be irrational, it's not going to be working out by guide number or by brackets, it's going to be used by the minus b formula. So here's the formula, minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So a, b and c are equal to 4 minus 2 and minus 1. So it's going to be minus 2 plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4, 2 squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. 2 plus or minus square root of 4. Now this works out to be minus 4 by 4 is minus 16 by minus 1 is plus 16 all over 8. Which is 2 plus or minus the square root of 20 all over 8. So I can break this up a small bit. It's 2 plus or minus. Now I can break up root 20 into the square root of 4 and the square root of 5. Which is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 over 8. So my two answers will be plus or minus. So the two answers will be, if I simplify this, divide everything top and bottom by 2. 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all over 4. So there's my other two roots. Okay? 1 plus root 5 over 4 and 1 minus root 5 over 4. So there's my three roots found. Okay? And I just put an x in front of that. So that's the answer to this.